Theorem is every semigroup S is isomorphic to a quotient of some free semigroup and that quotient is by a congruence okay. By a congruence. Proof. Let S be a semigroup. Let S be a semigroup and A be a subset of S such that the semigroup generated by A is equal to S. Then what's this S? Then S is like this. S is the finite products of elements of A actually. That you had done. The semigroup generated by a certain subset. Then that S, the elements of S are of this form. It's A1, A2, the product, okay? Such that these AIs, they are in A with 1 less or equal to I, less or equal to N. This is your S. So this is the product, okay? This is not a word, but we form a free semigroup from this set A, which is the collection of finite words, okay? Also we have a map from A to S. A is not a semigroup. Define this map. We have always a map. Define alpha, that's called the inclusion map, from A to S by image of A under alpha is equal to A, okay, for all A in A. Now treating this A as a non-empty set, we can find a free semigroup from this set A. And by the second property of a free semigroup, there must be a morphism from A plus to S. फ्री सेमीग्रुप की डेफिनेशन क्या है? फ्री सेमीग्रुप की डेफिनेशन, अगर आपके पास A कोई सेट होगा, नॉन एम्प्टी सेट, हम कहेंगे ये जो A प्लस है, ये हमने प्रूव किया कि A प्लस फ्री सेमीग्रुप है, ठीक है, इसको हमने चेक किया था, इट्स ए सेमीग्रुप. तो फ्री सेमीग्रुप की प्रॉपर्टी ऐसी होती है, देयर शुड बी अ मॉर्फिज्म फर्स्ट फ्रॉम A to A plus, and if there is a morphism from alpha, not a morphism, there is a map, okay, it's a map because A is not a semigroup. There should be a map phi from A to A plus, and second, if we have a map alpha from A to any other semigroup S, then there should exist a map psi from its morphism from A plus to S, because now both A plus and S, they are semigroups, such that the diagram commutes. Which diagram commutes? This thing, phi psi is equal to alpha. ये है फ्री सेमीग्रुप की प्रॉपर्टी. A प्लस फ्री सेमीग्रुप है तो इसके पास ये प्रॉपर्टी है. अब यहाँ पर आपके पास क्या है? इस A से लेकर इस सेमीग्रुप S तक आपके पास मैप है. अब A प्लस जो फ्री सेमीग्रुप है, जो हम A से हासिल करेंगे, उस फ्री सेमीग्रुप से लेकर इस S तक मॉर्फिज्म एग्जिस्ट होगी. So therefore there exists a morphism morphism which is psi from A plus to S. A plus to S. A plus to S. इट्स डिफाइंड बाय, इसकी डेफिनेशन क्या है इस मॉर्फिज्म की, इसको हमने थोड़ी सा जी डिफाइन भी किया है प्रीवियस लेक्चर में. डिफाइंड बाय, लेट्स टेक अ वर्ड A1, A2, AN. Now here it's not the product, it's a word in A plus. Now let's apply psi on this. What's the definition? Definition is since A1 is in A, so we have A1 alpha. Now again A2 is in A, we have A2 alpha. And finally we have AN of alpha. Alpha is here. Okay, so this is the definition of this map. And it commutes the diagram. ये हमने ऑलरेडी किया है. Now we see that this map, if isomorphism between the semigroups S and T, then the morphic image of S is isomorphic to a quotient S over kernel of psi. ये हमने की है homomorphism theorem for semigroups. So we have, इसका नाम आप यहाँ पर 1 रख दीजिए, जो आपने मैप डिफाइन किया ना, name it 1. We check this map is actually onto map. Okay, it's a morphism, it's also onto. Then we have the following. Then this S A plus, sorry, A plus पर हम मैप डिफाइन करते हैं. A plus over kernel of psi is isomorphic to the morphic image of A plus. A plus of psi. So we show that this A plus of psi is actually whole S. That means we need to show that psi is actually onto. Now we show that this psi is onto. So for this we take any element from S. Let's take an element X in S, okay? But this X is generated by A. So therefore there exists A1, A2, AN in A such that this X, it's equal to the product. It's not here word, okay? It's this product. But this alpha is an inclusion map. This is same as A1 alpha, A2 alpha, AN alpha, as alpha is inclusion, as alpha from A to S is the inclusion. It's the inclusion map. This thing, what's this A1 alpha 1? It is the image of word A1, A2, AN under the map. Which map? Under psi. So thus for each X in S, I have a word A1, A2, AN in A plus psi. That's image of that word under psi is X. So this implies psi is onto. Psi is onto. Psi is onto. So that means image of whole S, whole A plus under psi is S. So therefore इसका नाम 2 रख दीजिए. Therefore from 2, from 2 S is isomorphic to A plus over kernel of psi. So thus every semigroup is isomorphic to a quotient of some free semigroup. Now we discuss semigroup presentation and monite presentation. Semigroup presentation and monite presentation. Semigroup presentation and monite presentation. And monite presentation and monite presentation. Okay, so let's take a set consisting of n elements, finite set. If A is this set, A1, A2, An. Then we know that A plus is the semigroup that you already know. Set up the words with letters from A. This is finite. Let's take this finite set. And if we define the relation on A plus मतलब फ्री सेमी ग्रुप जो हम A से हासिल करेंगे, फ्री सेमी ग्रुप फ्रॉम A, उस A प्लस पर हम एक रिलेशन डिफाइन करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स डिफाइन अ रिलेशन. let R be a relation on A plus which is defined by which is a set of some ordered pairs on A of the elements of A plus. It's like this. Say Z1 W1 Z1, finite pairs W2 Z2, and you have WR ZR. Okay, this is the relation. Okay, so that's R is this relation, such that this R is in a way that it's defined in a way that its sharp R sharp, the congruence generated by this R is equal to kernel of psi. Okay, kernel of psi. Isomorphism from that it's a morphism from जो हमने already define की है, isomorphism from A plus to S, where S is the given semigroup, A is a subset of S. Okay, so this is R sharp, such that R sharp is equal to kernel of psi. R sharp is equal to kernel of psi. Then we say that S is finitely presented, क्योंकि आपके पास finite number of pairs है. S is finitely, इसके हम examples देंगे आगे. Finitely presented. S is finitely presented. Actually, S is isomorphic to the quotient of free semigroup, and on that free semigroup we have a relation which has finite number of equalities, a finite number of pairs which is generated by a relation which has only finite number of pairs, and that it has finite presentation, और हम ये कहेंगे इसकी finite presentation, and that it has finite presentation. S के पास अब finite presentation होगी. S has finite because S is isomorphic quotient, and in the quotient we have W1 is related to Z1. That means in quotient we have W1 is equal to Z1. Actually they are equal, their classes are equal. It has a finite representation which is like this: A1, A2, AN, such that W1 is equal to Z1, W2 is equal to Z2, WR is equal to ZR. अब ये आपके क्वोशिएंट में एक्चुअली है ये चीज़ें, because what's A plus actually? What's S? S is isomorphic to A plus over kernel of psi. Kernel of psi is the R sharp. Okay, R sharp. R sharp. Okay, A plus over R sharp. A plus is generated by these elements, but we have a quotient here. Quotient means in that A plus we are taking W1 is equal to Z1, because R sharp is a relation generated by these pairs W1 Z1, W2 Z2. So this thing is actually equal to, this is like this: A1, A2, AN, such that WI is equal to ZI, 1 less or equal to I, less or equal to R. So we say that this has a finite presentation like this. It's not just a notation actually, finite presentation है इसके पास, क्योंकि इसके पास finite number of equations है, finite number of equations. So let's take an example. Let's take an example of it. We take a monogenic semigroup. Okay. Example. So let S be a semigroup generated by a single letter. Suppose we have example ले गया. Let S be a semigroup. फिर हम इसकी representation देखिए. Be a semigroup. Be a semigroup generated by the singleton set A. That is our S is actually A plus. Okay, generated by single letter, which is an infinite monogenic semigroup. This thing. Now let's define a relation on this A plus. Let's define a relation on A plus. So define R is equal to this relation: A power M plus R. So this M is greater or equal to 1, R is also greater or equal to 1. They are integers, positive integers. Then then this S then what's A plus over, so A S is generated by this element A. We are taking the generating set, then we say this S is isomorphic to A plus over kernel of psi. Sorry, this S is here, this S is here, this set. It's generated by A. Okay, it's A is a generating set of S. So now we have defined a relation this on A plus A plus पर हम relation define करेंगे. यहाँ पर आप इसको ऐसे मेंशन मत कीजिए. It's a semi group. It's generated by A. It's like this. Generated by A. This A, it's a subset of S. Now this A plus, it's actually A. These are the goods. So let rho be a congruence on this R. We don't know whether this is an infinite or infinite, but there is a relation R. Let rho, suppose rho is a congruence, let rho be equal to this congruence. It's equal to R sharp. Then what's this set? Then what's this? This semigroup A plus over rho. A plus over rho. This is the set. This is the set A such that A power m is equal to A power m plus r. ये set है. This A is actually, they are actually classes. तो अब हम सिर्फ ये आइडेंटिफाई एक्चुअली कर. A प्लस ओवर रो होगा A के रो क्लासेस, और इन रो क्लासेस पर जो रिलेशन है A पावर m A पावर, दैट मीन्स रो क्लास ऑफ A पावर m इज इक्वल टू रो क्लास ऑफ A प्लस m, A पावर रो क्लास ऑफ A पावर m प्लस r. तो हमने इसको एक्चुअली आइडेंटिफाई A से ही किया. A सच दैट A पावर m इज इक्वल टू A पावर m प्लस r. So which is a finite monogenic semigroup, which is a finite monogenic semigroup. It's a finite monogenic semigroup. So thus this finite monogenic semigroup, this semigroup has a finite presentation actually. Finite monogenic semigroup has a finite presentation. Finite monogenic semigroup has a finite presentation. Okay. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं let S be a semigroup generated by an element A, which is actually finite monogenic. It's not a finite monogenic semigroup, but in case this rho is equal to the kernel of psi, अगर रो होगा कर्नल ऑफ साई के बराबर, उस केस में क्या होता है A प्लस ओवर कर्नल ऑफ साई इट्स आइसोमॉर्फिक टू S. उस केस में S के आइसोमॉर्फिक होता है. तो उस केस में आपका जो S होगा ये इटसेल्फ होगा फाइनाइट मोनोजेनिक सेमीग्रुप. सो इन केस दिस रो व्हिच इज इक्वल टू R sharp इक्वल टू कर्नल ऑफ साई, वेयर व्हाट्स दिस साई? साई इज अ मैप फ्रॉम A plus to S, which is generated by A. Then S is a finite monogenic semigroup. Then S is a finite monogenic semigroup. Because our S is isomorphic, in that case it's isomorphic to A plus over rho. Rho is the kernel of psi, and this is the semigroup A such that A power m is equal to A power m plus r. So it's actually this set a square a power m plus r minus 1.